Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. In that case, a lot of my first videos that still I think have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. Also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on, so I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. When I cleaned out that restaurant, I got this, and I got it stuck on here and just kind of screwed it in, but it was still kind of pretty wobbly. So to fix that problem, I either have to cut this big hole into here, or cut this off of here. And honestly, I think this is structurally, if I cut this down, it will be stronger than if I cut a big hole in this. I think that'll kind of make this a little bit too rickety. I've already changed out the cutter on this and started cutting through here, so I'll let you look at the last little bit here. It's not exactly rocket science, but I'll show it to you anyway. So, got that cut out of there. It should sit fairly flat on there. And a couple pieces of scrap particle board, it looks like, so these probably won't last a long time, but it'll give it a little bit more structure. And what I'm going to do is stick them right down inside there. But the problem that I have here is that holding those there when I'm trying to screw that on the bottom, so I'm going to just screw those in actually through the bottom here for now. Should be able to flip it around and put some bigger screws in that I have over here. First snafu here. The problem was I have those boards down there to try and put some structure in the bottom of it, but those screws that I put in there to hold them in didn't quite hold them sturdy enough. So I took and I cut down an old broom handle and screwed that into the side and jammed it down onto the bottom of the board down there, although it's kind of falling right now, but that actually did work. Flipped it over and we got one side in, so I'll come back when I have it set up for the other side and show you me screw it in. Hopefully this side works too. That is way sturdier. Still a little wobbly if you get too top heavy, but man, it's not gonna break. Yeah, I know. Found another piece of scrap wood. And I'm just gonna stick it down in here, and it actually jams down in between the edge of the garbage can and the piece of wood that I put down there on the bottom to kind of hold it. I just got some wood screws, and I'm gonna screw them on in here. But they do go too far in the back here, so with the handy dandy grinder you're going to want to grind those off or find some smaller screws. I went to put this on and it of course slid down and hit the ground, so what I did, found another piece of scrap wood and just took some screws, screwed it onto the bottom, and set that down on there. It doesn't fall down into the bottom or on the floor. And then take this, and it'll set on there like that, and it's all kind of set and ready to go. Should roll all around. That'll be handy. That way I'm not always looking for my dustpan and broom wondering where I set it down last time, because I probably spend more time doing that than getting some of the cleaning done. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.